Unlock great deals. The end-of-season sale, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and make learning fun and easy for everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a phrase you've probably seen quite often, especially if you love shopping: end-of-season sale. Stick around to find out what it means, why it's important, and how you can make the most of it. First, let's dissect the phrase, end-of-season sale. It's composed of three key parts. End of season. This part indicates a period that marks the conclusion of a particular season. In the context of sales, it refers to the transition period between two seasons, such as from summer to autumn. Sale. This refers to a period during which items are offered at reduced prices. Sales are a common practice in retail to encourage buying. So, putting it all together, an end-of-season sale is a special promotion that stores offer at the close of a season to clear out existing stock and make room for new items suited to the coming season. There are a few reasons why stores love to run these sales. 1. Clearing out inventory. As seasons change, so do people's preferences and needs. Retailers need to sell off their old stock to make space for new, season-appropriate goods. 2. Attracting customers. Reduced prices are a great way to draw in shoppers. Who doesn't love a good deal? 3. Boosting sales. By lowering prices, stores can increase the volume of items sold, helping to boost their overall sales figures. As a shopper, how can you make the most of these sales? Here are a few tips. Plan ahead. Know what you need before the sale starts. This helps you shop smart and avoid impulse buys. Budget wisely. Even though items are discounted, it's essential to stick to a budget to avoid overspending. Check return policies. Sometimes sale items have different return policies. Always check these in advance to avoid any surprises. We hope this video has shed some light on the exciting world of end-of-season sales, and how you can benefit from them. Remember, with a bit of planning and self-control, you can score some fantastic deals without breaking the bank. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more intriguing aspects of the English language.